guys, we are back. We're going to be doing a magnet fishing video on this dock right behind us that's rocking in the waves. A little sketchy, but we're going to get out here, we're going to throw the magnets around, we're going to see what we can find out there. See how John does this. Alright guys, here we go. Here we go. Hey, I got a screw. A screw. Oh, yeah, it's very normal. That doesn't make me feel good. Oh look, it connected. What's this? I found a handle to a fishing pole. Maybe I can find a fishing reel. Yeah, let me correct. I found the handle to a fishing reel, not a fishing pole. Maybe I can find the fishing reel or pole. And I found a little nail.
Where are you gonna?
I'm gonna help you.
You're gonna help me?
Yeah.
I need help.
Well, I'm gonna hold your rope.
Ah.
So drop it in and just.
Oh.
Okay. Well, hold on to the rope so you can pull it back up. Just feel it, see if you got anything on there.
No.
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 Okay. So what you can do?
I'm gonna be yucky after this.
Look at that.
That took upper body strength.
There's
The
a little
bottom of a screw.
dip.
What'd you get?
Screw.
Oh, screw. I thought you said dude. I'm like, what'd you get? Dude, a screw. Yeah. Rockin' and rollin', yo.
Oh, I got something big. Yeah. Oh, it popped off. Sorry?
Sorry. Feels heavy. What? Oh, it's an old piece of cable.
Is that what I just tangled up?
Yeah.
It's not a noose?
I hope not. No, it's like old tie rope cable.
Okay.
Off a boat.
Yeah, kind of breaking it down.
Oh,
cool.
why'd you do that?
Well guys, there we go.
Alright, good job, Jordan. I assisted. Cool. Gross. Go throw that away, Jordan. Did you find some coins? Oh.
A little bitty piece of metal.
Hey, I don't know.
Okay.
I have no earthly clue what that is.
Is it like a piece of one of those forge things they used to like cook stuff together?
I don't know. It's got a little washer on it. I have no idea what that is, guys. If you have any idea what this is, any thoughts of what this is, leave a comment down in the comment section because I have no clue. Got a little washer on it though. Hee hee.
Got a nail.
A nail.
Oh boy.
I don't know what. Dude,
What'd you get?
I think they're fingernail clippers. It's a little bit weird to find in. Yeah, those are 100% fingernail clippers, right?
Well, people use them for fishing and stuff. So.
That is true.
Cool.
Nice.
Flying.
These will come in handy. Probably not really rusty. That's one of the weirdest finds I think we've ever had. Another fishing hook.
What'd you find?
Fishing hook.
Hey guys. What's up? Name's Bailey. I really have to pee.
Hey, a fishing jig.
Jordan find there.
It has a little face on it. And a baby screw.
I caught a Bailey.
Scary.
Got the Bailey?
You gonna put that in the box?
What's up, guys? Just finished our magnet fishing. We didn't find a lot of bangers, but we had a pretty cool stuff. Yeah, Jordan found a big old cable. I found some weird thing.
Are we actually using this? Okay, well, now that I'm embarrassed, yeah, we found some decent stuff.
Yeah, it wasn't, like I said, it wasn't huge bangers, but we found some little stuff, so it's always fun to find something. Yeah. But if you're liking our magnet fishing videos, guys, make sure to leave us a thumbs up, drop some comments, make sure you subscribe. Till next time, guys, keep it real.